Thank you, Lee. Your singing brought me back to life.
She's so...
Oh, yes, she's just... she's beautiful.
Oscar, don't go! Oh, what am I going to do? Don't give up, Lee.
Look at what you have done so far.
Yes, you woke up the fire and the light. You made her appear.
Keep on singing, Lee. I am sure you'll wake Amy up.
Keep on singing. What's that? What is going on?
I am the Lady of the Sea, and I need your help too. My powers have disappeared during my long sleep.
But I need to save Princess Amy.
There's a time for everything, Lee. First, you must help me retrieve my powers. Sing your magical song. Sing with me.
Lee. That was amazing. Oh, please, Lee, do it again. What's the matter with you, Lee?
Why do you look so sad?
I think it's because of Amy. Why can't I wake her up? Try your song again. Your magical song.
Your magic song, it is the key.
But Princess Amy is not free.
Your friends will help you sing your song.
Sure.
'Cause you're not in this on your own.
Your magic song is the key. But Princess Amy is not free. You could give up and go on home, but you're not in this on your own. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la la la, la la la, la la la, la la la.
Your voice alone has come so far.
It's a gift straight from the stars.
Your friends will help you sing your song.
Cause you're not in this on your own.
finally did it! Ha ha!
No, Oscar. We did it.
Woo!
He did it!
Who did it?
Lee did it.
He did what?
He did it!
Who did it?
Lee did it.
He did what?
Lee sang his song, and before long, the Lord of Fire found his power. The next along who needed Lee's song, the Spirit of Light was soon set right.
He did it! Who did it? He did it! He did it! Who did it? He did it! He did what? He did it! Who did it? He did it! He did it! Who did it? He did it! He did what?
She of the sea then came to Lee. Answering her prayer, he freed the water. He found a way to save the day. It's thanks to Lee that army's free.
He did it! Who did it? He did it! He did it! Who did it? He did it! He did what? He did it! Who did it? He did it! He did it! Who did it? He did it! He did what? He did it!
Who did it?
Lee did it.
He did it!
Who did it?
Lee did it.
He did what?
He did that.
Bye-bye, Lee. Bye-bye, everybody. We hope to see you soon. And remember, you did it.